what's up YouTube? This is Gage Johnson, and I'm gonna be showing you a bike, my bike, to be exact. Now I didn't buy this bike. I found it, like, no, a friend of mine found it behind his grandparents' house. He offered me to take it. I took it, and now it's mine. And it's a pretty good bike right now. At the moment, it's a pretty good bike, but there's some little stuff here and there that I need to fix. So here it is. And if y'all can't see it, that's my bad, because I'm recording this video with a little camcorder. But if y'all can see it, that's good. That's one of my dogs, Kintara. Let's see, I got 2 pegs up in the front, and I got 2 in the back. Because I'm a beginner, and I've heard that a lot of beginners usually start out with 4 pegs. But it's also a general, it's also what you feel comfortable with. Now, I don't grind yet. I do not grind at all yet, but I'm gonna start, or I want to, but there's no, where I live, there's really no good ledges or rails to hit or anything. But I'm gonna take y'all through a bike check. Now, I have not upgraded anything. Well, I've upgraded a few things on this bike. Well, first of all, the pegs. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And I've also changed the pedals, because the pedals that were on it were like lime green. I did not like them, so I took these off an old bike of mine. And I also bought these grips, if y'all can see them. They're right here. They're blue. I think ODI grips. They're long neck grips. $7 at Walmart. They lasted a while. I gotta buy some more. And that's pretty much it. That's all I've done to it, besides taking the stickers off. Again, if y'all can't see it, I'm sorry, because the camcorder that I'm using kind of sucks, and the lighting in my room is pretty bad too. So if y'all can see it, see these little, this is all, if y'all see any of this on the bike, that's where stickers were. There were stickers all up on the forks, from like here down to like here. I took them off. There was stickers everywhere on this bike. I took them off. I'm gonna replace them. No, I'm just gonna repaint the bike. I'm gonna completely repaint it. And I got a big 30-tooth, I think it's a 30-tooth sprocket on here. That's how I found, this is the sprocket that was on here when I found it. I need to put a smaller one on it. I'm gonna get like a 23-tooth. I'm gonna get a 32-tooth sprocket on here. This sprocket right here, this one. I'm gonna get a new sprocket. Need to get one. And if y'all can see, I only got one set of brakes on this bike, and that is the back brakes, which they don't really work that well, so I need to buy me some new ones. But the front brakes I have the front brakes, and they're U brakes. They're not the caliper, they're U brakes. They're the U brakes. Here's the front set, and they do not work at all. They just don't work. I don't know why. I tried. I took both brakes off at one point, and I also have the front brake lever. I have the regular front brake lever all the way down there, and the wire that's in it. Yeah, there we go. And yeah. Sorry for that, guys. That was my little brother. And I have cassette hubs. I want to get a free coaster, but I want to get some free coaster hubs because I think they'd be better for me. Because I don't like it that I just don't like the cassettes. I might stick with the cassettes. I might not, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'll stick with the cassette though. I have the original cranks, if y'all can see them. There you go. There they are. Yeah. And there's the original Mongoose seat. And yeah, I have the gyro and the stem. I need to get some new handlebars also. Okay, so I need to get new tires for sure because they're both wearing down. I need a new chain. The hubs are good. I need a new sprocket. New brakes. And some new handlebars. So that's a lot of money that I need to put into this bike. That's a lot of money that I need to put into it. But that's some of the good uses of getting a job at 15 is that you can get money and spend it on whatever you want. Like if you want to be a BMX rider and you got a pretty crappy bike and you want to fix it up, use some of that money that you get from your paycheck, put it in towards your bike. That's what I'm gonna do. Get a job first though. So yeah, that's my bike. There's only a few things upgraded to this thing, but other than that, no. And there was a kickstand right here. I took it off because the kickstand didn't sit right here. It sat like right here the kickstand when you put it up, it didn't sit right here. It sat like right around here. I took it off. That was too low. What else? That's about it. Need some new rims. You can see the okay, you can't see it, but there's like little silver marks where the black rims tint or paint's coming off from the brakes. So I need to change that out. I need to change those out real bad. And definitely the back tire. Definitely the back tire, because right here is where some of the rubber's really starting to wear down. You can see like the wiring that's under the rubber. That's real bad. I need to change it like after the summer's over. And that's about it. I found this bike like 4 months ago. Only had to air up the tubes once. They were in good condition. The tubes were, but the brakes sucked as hell. I tried skateboarding before I found a bike. Before I found this bike, I was not good at it. I really hate skateboarding. But so I found this BMX. My friend found this BMX for me, and I took it, and so I went into BMX riding. I'm better at it than I am skateboarding. And so, yeah. And I am currently unsponsored, and if you are a sponsored rider watching this video, please try to hook me up with your sponsor. My name is Gage Johnson, and I'll give you my phone number. I'll put my phone number in the description. If any sponsored riders are watching this video, please try to hook me up with your sponsorship. please, because I definitely need some new stuff. And I will definitely. And there's one park around here where I live. I live in Emerald, Texas. And if you live there too, then you know the park that I'm talking about. And there's a whole bunch of street areas around here too. But I don't ride street. I'm more of a skate park kind of dude. But if you want to ride street, like if we hang out and you want to ride street, I'll ride street with you, but it's not something I prefer. But I don't prefer vert, really. I mean, I prefer vert, but I don't want to ride street. It's not what I prefer. But I'll do it if that's what you do. But like I said, if I will put my phone number in the description for you guys, and my phone number is only for sponsored writers. If any sponsored writers watch this video and oh shit, if any sponsored writers watch this video, please try to hook me up with your sponsorship, with your sponsored team, and I will definitely try to go to the skate park as much as I can and get y'all's sponsor out there. And yeah, so please just hook me up and anything. And I don't have much BMX videos, but if you get a hold of my number, just text me. Don't call me. Text me, and say, hey, I can hook you up with my sponsorship, with my sponsor team, and I'll definitely start making BMX videos. And follow me on Instagram, gauge.johnson.12 something. I'll look it up and put it in the description. Also, get me on Kick. That will be in the description too. Follow me on Facebook, in the description also. No, don't follow me on Facebook. My Facebook's acting up lately. Do not follow me on Facebook. Instagram and Kick. That's it. Just those. And when I make a video, I'll send the video to you unedited. I'll send you the video original to you, and you can possibly send it to your sponsor team and see what they think of me. Alright. Peace.